Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work as we had to replace the water pump, this one that you see right here. And this is from 2010, so it's already been working on that machine for quite a while. Now for this machine, it is quite hard to work on this machine because these panels are one of the most sharpest panels I have ever seen on any Saeco espresso machine. I literally cut my entire glove, as a whole leather glove, as I was just handling the machine. I wasn't even doing anything crazy on it. So yeah, it's pretty sharp, all these edges around it inside of the machine, so it's as sharp as a knife. Really try to like dull them down a little bit, but it will still be pretty sharp. So we replaced the water pump. We also gave this machine a tune-up, replacing the valve that is on the other side of the machine. This one that you see right here, replaced it with a brand new one. We also replaced one of these parts that are located from the water pump, as the other one basically snap. So we just replaced that as well. And we did replace this part of the grinder that also snap as well. This is by old age. When I opened up the grinder, I found that this thing was just broken, so I replaced it with another one that we have here, and I tested the grinder and everything was grinding perfectly fine and going into the funnel as it's supposed to. So yeah, but that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing the spouts, and then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam of this machine. I already calibrated the grinder to be on one of the course settings. We're using our test coffee. So we are getting now pre-infusion inside the machine. The machine will push water through the brew unit, getting these wet grounds, just a little bit of moisture, and then after that it's just going to start extracting the shot coming out from the spouts, as you see right there. Now we do have one spout, just not dispensing that much. This is because our table is a little bit on the side. There you go. Nice. That is the alarm for the ground container, as we've been already testing the machine. How do you spell it? So there you go. Nice box coming out of the machine, working excellent. Good shot of espresso, good crema.
Do we have the computer tablets to show this guy?
Maybe.
I don't think we have any to sell. Yeah, but no, they're good.
Okay, so now we're gonna be testing the hot water. Sorry about that. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine.
Okay, terrific.
The machine will slowly pulse and give you that stream of hot water, and as you can see, excellent temperature as well, working really good. Now we're gonna be testing the steamer function of the machine. In order for this machine to produce steam, the thermal block that is located right here needs to get to temperature. Once it does, the water pump that is located also right here will start pulsing water, pulling water from the tank, going into the thermal block. Well, the thermal block is going to create pressure, and it's going to go to a two-way solenoid valve that is going to slowly open, as you hear right now. Once the thermal block is at fully temperature, the machine will push water through the entire system, and then we're going to have a steam coming out just like so. Excellent temperature, excellent pressure of steam coming out of the one, working excellent, working perfectly fine. There you go. So there you have it, Saeco working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for playing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.